Hey guys, my name is Angel. I'm the product advisor at Heninger Toyota. Today I'll be going through the 2022 RAV4 TRD off-road. This vehicle is actually in stock and available for purchase, and it's part of our Red Tag Day. This vehicle is a perfect balance between grocery getter and adventure creator. It doesn't require the full commitment of off-roading lifestyle, but still allows you for weekend getaways without compromising fun, convenient city driving. Some great features equipped with this vehicle are adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and also Apple CarPlay as a standard. Now that sounds very good for a perfect road trip recipe. Other luxurious features including keyless entry, rain sensor wipers, and also push button start. And not to forget about all the added safety measures like lane tracing assist, Toyota Safety Sense, and also pre-collision system. All of these will keep you and your passengers safe and comfortable. If you have any other questions about this vehicle or any other inquiries, please stop by our dealership or contact me below.